Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize signing in Dropbox Sign for investors, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Dropbox Sign website in your preferred web browser. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address associated with your Dropbox Sign account in the designated field. Click on the Continue button. Check your email inbox for a sign-in link sent by Dropbox Sign. Open the email and click on the provided sign-in link. Once redirected, you may need to enter your password if prompted. After signing in, locate the Account Settings option. Click on Account Settings to access your account configuration. In the Settings menu, find the Team Management section. Click on Team Management to manage access for your team members. To authorize an investor, select Invite Team Member. Fill in the required details, including the investor's email address. Choose the appropriate role for the investor from the drop-down menu. Click the Invite button to send the invitation. Inform the investor to check their email for the invitation. Once they accept the invitation, their access will be authorized. Return to the Team Management section to verify their status. You can adjust permissions as necessary by clicking on their name. To finalize the setup, review the overall account settings. Ensure that all invited members have the required access for their roles. With these steps completed, your investors are now authorized to sign in to Dropbox Sign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.